Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today's video is gonna be about skincare. So as you guys can see, I am barefaced. So as you guys know, if you're a woman, you obviously know we go through ant flow. So as you guys can see, I get these demons right here. And I hate them so much, especially during that time of the month. So let's get started with what I do. So if I have applied makeup, I have showed you guys these are the formula 10.0.6. These are just like makeup remover wipes, nothing crazy about them, but I really do like them. I feel like they really do go ahead and fresh up my face after I have used makeup. A good tip is, even if you're like getting back from work, from school, just go ahead and wipe this. It has witch hazel and cucumber, which is really good if you're like suffering from a breakout or something. I usually like to take one of the towelettes and press it on that pimple or whatever I'm trying to clear up for like 30 seconds, just to make sure it gets in there, it penetrates as well. So I highly recommend these. Now I always have to wash my face daily, and what I use is the Cetaphil Daily Face Cleanser. So I use this and I use a face sponge. And the reason why I like this is because I like to go ahead and exfoliate my face while I'm cleansing my face, just because it gets all dirt off and it removes any dead skin. So I like to do that daily. So I like to use toners. I really like the formula 10.06 toner. This is what it looks like. See, I use it quite a lot. This has salicylic acid. So what that does is it makes sure it clears up any acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and helps prevent future blemishes. So I really love this. It does sting the face. I do this cleanser right after I like pop pimples and all of that, because it gets in there and I just love it. I feel like it does wonders for my skin. One thing I didn't mention is this really helps take off even excess makeup that you think you might have gotten with this. This makes sure that you fully get in there. You clean up any excess makeup that you thought you got, but truly you didn't. And like how I recommended with these, to take a makeup wipe if you're like just got home from jogging or whatever, that you've been outside. I highly recommend this as well, because it takes like any impurities that you got from outside and you will see them more when you use this. One product that I have recently been using, it's the Ole Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Toner. So this one, it just balances your oil. So I put it on my T-zone, right here, and then I go all over the face. So it's what it says. It just goes ahead and balances your skin oil. And this is just good to make sure that you're not too oily and that your oil is being controlled, because oil does build up on your pores and then you get sebum, which no one wants, and so it just starts to help clear out your face from oil. With this one is with the breakout as well, I just like to go ahead and on a cotton pad, and these are the cotton pads I use. I just go ahead, put some in and just dab and leave this one on for a couple seconds. So that's the Ole Henriksen. Like I just mentioned, sometimes we go through periods where we get like these stubborn breakouts, where like no matter how much you wipe it down or you use cleanser or micellar water, they don't remove. What I've recently discovered is these Peace Out Acne Spot ones. So these, you just go ahead and put it on whatever pimple. You leave it on for 6 hours. But what I love about these is that they are a kind of like skin color. So let me show you what I mean. So they're kind of transparent. I mean, they have like a little bit of a type of color to them. But once you place them like on your skin, they go ahead and like, they don't exactly look like your skin. You sometimes can see it, but it's nothing crazy. But I love these if I see like a new blemish like early in the morning and I have to go out or do something. I don't want to be putting Mario Badescu on and go out looking like a fool. So I like to go ahead and put these on if I'm gonna go ahead and do errands, or if I just don't feel like putting Mario Badescu on. So you guys know that I love Mario Badescu. This is what it looks like. I like to use Mario Badescu, but I recently got these like really bad blemishes, which are this one and this one. As you guys can see, it even left like a little scarring, little dark circle. I found that this Mario Badescu wasn't getting the job done, and so I was doing my research, and as I was reading what I was researching about Mario Badescu is good. It's really good to go ahead and target like whiteheads, so it doesn't fully get under the skin, like how these are really under the skin and they're like not poppable. So I found that out, and a product that they recommended is the Kate Somerville. So this is the Kate Somerville bottle. It's almost the same as Mario Badescu. It's the only difference is it gets more into your skin, and it has more concentration of sulfur, in which that targets like the deep pimples that you might have. So those are like my top go-to skincare if I'm breaking out, and like my ultimate top shelf, and like the rest is just skincare for normal routine. If you're like having a good skin day, I just recommend using the Cetaphil and this. Another good one that I forgot to mention is the micellar cleansing water from Garnier. This one's really good. This one doesn't have like the properties that this one has, like for acne. It's not an acne treatment. This one's just to make sure to remove all makeup and cleanse and refresh your skin, but I would recommend this one more. But this one's also good if you don't have any like acne or anything like that. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys found it informative, and as always, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, so our family keeps on growing, and then go follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and as always guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.